Just put the lime inside the microwave and you'll never have this problem again. That's right everyone, and to make this tip is actually quite simple. First, we're gonna need one lime, okay? Take the lime and cut it in half. Once this done, we're gonna need a container, alright? You can use any type of container, as long as it is glass, okay? So let's go ahead and squeeze all its juice into the container. And folks, this tip is very simple, but this can be really useful at home. So squeeze all the juice. But don't throw away the lime rinds, as we're gonna use them later, so you can set them aside for now. Alright, now we're gonna need about 1 cup of water. Go ahead and pour it into the glass container. And to finish, let's add vinegar. But make sure to use white vinegar for this. You cannot use any other type of vinegar. Go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2, and 3. Now give it a good mix. After mixing well, now take the lime rinds and also put them into the mixture. Alright, now let's get to the microwave so I can show you guys how we're gonna use it. And here folks, let's do the following. Take the container with all the ingredients, open your microwave door. As you can see, the microwave is pretty dirty, right? I heated up some food without the protection to make it a little messy like that, just to show you guys how this works. So go ahead and put the container in there. Now close it and set it for 1 minute, okay? But once the time has passed, don't open the microwave just yet, but leave it closed for a while. And then what's gonna happen? The water from the ingredients will start to evaporate, especially the lime and vinegar. And if you didn't know, these 2 ingredients are very powerful in degreasing. That's right. So we're gonna be able to clean, remove grease, stains, and especially bad odors from the microwave. And all of this without scrubbing it for hours. This will start to moisten the entire microwave from the inside. Then it will be very easy to clean it. Let me show you. Put it there and let's set it for 1 minute. Look, almost there. There you go. But like I said before, don't open it yet. Let's leave it closed for exactly 5 minutes. Meanwhile, the water is evaporating inside, making it very easy to clean it. Very well, folks. 5 minutes later, let's open it. And look, can you see the moist inside? All that steam contains the essence of the ingredients. Check this out. I can even remove it with my finger. See? Now, let's remove the container. It's still a little hot though, be careful. Now, just grab a paper towel and remove all this dirt. Look how wonderful it is. See how easy it is to remove all that grease and stains? And the smell is really pleasant. It has the citrusy lime aroma. It's really nice. So, besides being very helpful in cleaning, it's also going to remove the smell of fish if you heated up some fish or any lingering odor. And there you have it, folks, cleaning completed. And look, a super clean microwave without stains, without grease, and without a bad smell. And most importantly, without wasting time scrubbing it. That's truly incredible. So that's it. If you're gonna clean the microwave at home, don't waste your time scrubbing it anymore. Try this lime tip. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.